Hey guys, this is Mr. Video Dude 79 Vlogs here. I'm back with another new vlog, and of course, yeah, I am back indoors now, and of course, yeah, it is also a bit cloudy, yep. Oh yeah, and of course, yeah, and I'm waiting the GL party we're here in Paradise, yep. Oh yeah. So of course, yeah, I figured I'll be sort of walk yep. Yes, I just passed the school bus. So yeah, walking on the VR park side of VR Park Road. Yup. Oh yeah. And the VR party is in the trees. You can barely see it. Yep. Oh yeah. So see over here, the clouds are starting to decrease. Yep. We start to see some blue sky. Yep. Oh yeah. Gonna be nice afternoon though. So yeah, it's gonna be walking again, see, yep. Oh yeah. And of course the birds are chirping out there now too, guys. Oh yeah, I love to hear it, yep. And of course, as you can see, I got my two new AirPods on, yep. Yeah, they're actually portable earphones, yep. I got them over at Jump Plus there how long was it, a month or two ago, I guess. Oh yeah. I think so, yep. But anyway, yes. So yes, so of course, I was able to twice ago, yep. Mine is going pretty good, yep. Yep. This course gonna be posted later on, see, yep, since I released part 2 of yesterday's vlog earlier to yep. Oh yeah. So yes, but of course, I just hope you guys didn't mind me making 2 parts to yesterday's vlog, yep. Oh yeah, which means the whole vlog from yesterday was 35 minutes long, and I had to take out some of the videos like in part 1 I left off when I was talking about the God's Book concert in OG in Edmonton, Alberta, and then I started off part 2 when I was when I was out on my walk over to Melrose. Yep. Oh yeah. So because I was all recording yesterday, and I released that with a day later on this morning, yep. Oh yeah, which is May 5th, yep. When you guys saw that, of course, this will be coming up on the same evening, yep. Oh yeah. So of course, yes, because you can see 2 vlogs. See, yep. You've already seen one earlier, but of course, yeah, but there's one more coming up now. Indeed, but anyway, yes. But of course, yesterday's vlog was pretty good, yep. I enjoyed it, especially with the sunshine and all, yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, but of course, yeah. But then after the last clip in yesterday's vlog, part 2 of it, this is my berry down. I was over to well, I was just about over at Mossy Park. So because I had to contact with my parents using a French phone. Yep. Since my berry died. It died at a bad time too. Yep. but it was actually very eventful, even though, well, yep, I'm not tell you guys why, but of course, I'll tell you what, all these guys, guess what happened, while I was reading on the ride from Rosie Park. Oh, yeah. Yep, I'm not telling you by the way either, yep. Yep, since it's, private, yep. But of course, I want you to guess what happened, yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. But of course, my brother was going to pick me up, but of course, then my dad and my stepmom picked me up after, yep. Oh, yeah. So, the dog said, yep, so of course, yeah. Yeah, but of course, I got it received, I charged my phone, and of course, yeah. Another phone is on fully charged screen, yep. Oh, yeah. But there he is, so of course, yeah. But of course, please go be a good day, yep. I've actually, just finished breakfast a few minutes ago, yep, and of course, yep, I actually managed to sleep in a bit more, to since never got to bed till about 1:30 a.m. and I got up just before 10:30. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. But there he is. So of course, yeah. I'm talking for so long as well. Show you guys around the area a bit. Yep. I made up here to the stock store figure on my first stop of the walk. Yeah, look how the green it is here though. Yep. Last time I was over here, there wasn't much green, but now look at it now. Oh yeah. It's now already April 28th. I'm filming this up. Oh yeah, next week is May. Oh yeah. Look at the information on this video over here though. Oh man, this is a show sign that the speed is finally here. Yeah, temperature's finally warming up. Yep. Oh, I love to see it. Yep. I love the speed, yep, especially in April and May. Yep. And of course, still here we got the view of 3 Island Pond in the Visual Drive Show Drive area. Alright, of course, over there we got Seven Mountains Salon. Oh yeah. Soon there'll be us. Oh yeah, soon there'll be us. So yeah, we got some more cleaning going on. Try next little while, yep. Oh yeah. Because over there we got a very bottom pavement here in right after the Pitchmore Drive. Yep, close to right next to Cloverleaf. Yep. Alright guys. And now I'm not going on this trail off of the Pavo now. Since I decided to enjoy a bit of nature, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. So it's definitely good to be explore nature over the speed, yep. Oh yeah. And of course, if one of you really so busy to yeah, let's be over to the other side of Pitchmore Drive. Yep. Which you guys see in a few minutes, yep. Oh yeah. We got no permission to leave on the trees here yet. But hopefully the next week or two or so there'll be some more, yep. Yeah, but of course at least the snow is gone. Now it's actually not gone. Yep. Oh yeah. So yeah. The walk is going good so far, guys. Yep. I'll just out here enjoying the nice spring weather. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. No reason they spin walk. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. I love the spin. But because if temperature is more a bit more than that make me much more happier. Yeah. Oh yeah. But of course, yeah. But I love my exercise as much as possible. Yep. Oh yeah. But of course, yeah. But at least finally woke up here in Newfoundland. Yep. Oh yeah. Right on. So this is another trail that takes you over to the other end of the Power Road. And over here it takes you over a lot of side of the highway. Yep. They take over a few vehicles over there, yep. So I'll give you a better shot after. And of course this is the main trail over there, guys. Oh yeah. Yep, lots of dirt bikes and services go along this trail a lot toward this time of year, yep. Oh yeah. And last time I was on this trail, it was last summer, fall I think it was. Yep. I think so, yep. And this is the other side of it over there, guys. Oh yeah. Check it out. Kind of peek at how over here, but I'll give you guys a better shot over here. Got some tree branches down over here too. Oh yeah. And now here's a full shot of the Pittsburgh Drive. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite spot to go when I'm on my walks every now and then. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, this I'll tell you how we are on. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. Lots of traffic going to and from St. John's. Yep. Oh yeah. This actually be highway overall. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course I love the highway. Yep. Overall. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Wicked. Yep. See, this never gets old. Yep. I love it. Yep. Oh yeah. I love the traffic go and of course yeah. I love being on the highway overall. Yep. Oh yeah. Right on. Oh yeah. So, cause I love the highway because, yeah, it goes always fastest way to go places like into town, and of course, yeah, and of course it's also the fastest way to the only way to get across the big Newfoundland. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Of course, here in Newfoundland, we're out on the Avalon, our Transcat Highway, it's actually a freeway. It's from St. John's to Richmond, yep. And then of course, it's off now across the island, yep. Oh yeah. But of course, we got freeways around North America too, yep. Oh yeah. Yes, but of course, this I've got a more popular area here in Newfoundland, yep. That's pretty good. And of course, yeah. Overall, I really do love it here, yep. Being out there is actually pretty good, yep. Oh yeah. And of course, to have more nicer temperatures now here in Newfoundland, that's even better, yep. Oh yeah. I love this being better weather too, yep. Especially here in Newfoundland, yep. Oh yeah. Indeed, yeah. Alright guys, I just decided to explore more of nature along the way home. Yup. I just on this tour to show you guys there a few minutes ago. Yeah. Oh yeah. And so far there's no mud on this trail. Yep. Oh yeah. So of course, yeah, it's difficulty to enjoy a bit of nature. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was just one of those days. Yep. So yeah, I like to enjoy nature as much as you can. Yep. So far we got no leaves going on the trees over here yet, but of course, yeah. But hopefully soon enough, what's getting into May, hopefully once you get up to teens also, or 20s, I should hopefully we'll see some leaves but on the trees up. Oh yeah. But of course, yes, but it's also been quite a while since I was on the toilet, yep. Oh yeah, great. We remember when it was, I think it was the earlier 2010s. The earlier 2010s, not really sure. Maybe it was in 2017, I think. Yeah, might be wrong though, might be wrong, but yeah. But yeah. But I love getting my exercise every day though, yep. Oh, yeah, especially if it's nice and it's sunny. Yeah, keep speeding up in the sunshine though, yeah. Oh yeah. And of course, yeah, I'm still right on the side of the highway, as you can hear, yep, in the background, yeah. And there's the rest of the trail over there, yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, lots of mud, I found some mud, not at the last clip, yep. Oh yeah. So there. And of course my shoes are a bit dirty up, and even my there's been a bit of a bikini, so I'll have to change my clothes back home, yeah. So yeah, so it's definitely the best time of year to see mud, yep. And we remember that Chris tournament down, I think it was a month or two ago, February or March. Well, yeah, there it is now. That's what it's also very muddy, yep. Oh, yeah. Yep. Oh, yeah, but last time there was snow over here, but now there is none. Oh, yeah. But this trail brings you from the old track over to here, yep. Oh, yeah. So there. You just figured I'd give me an update on this trail, too. Alright guys, we're back here up on 3 other Park Beach now, yeah. Oh yeah. And here we got a view of some of the houses over here. Oh yeah. Yep, next day up on 3 Park though, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And of course we actually starting to see some more blue sky now. It's now just at 1 PM. Oh yeah. The more blue sky we get, the better, guys. Oh yeah. So I'm just about to finish my walk, and I figured I'd show you guys how the beach is doing. Yep. As you can see, we got a lot of water flowing along the beach over here. A lot that you can't even see the rocks on the beach. Yep. Hopefully the tide will go down a bit soon. Oh yeah. This is actually a really big pond overall, guys. Oh yeah. And next to that is Toppy Pond. Yep. So we've got lots of nice houses over here though, yep. Oh yeah. But anyway, it's been fun to do while we see you guys when it gets back home. Alright guys, I just decided to come out here on the patio now just to enjoy just the few minutes of nice spring weather before I go into a room, yep. Oh yeah. As you can see the sun is shining right now, yep. It's up here at the moment, but of course, yeah. And it's still slowly working its way to the southwest over Kissimmee, yep. But yeah, of course, look at all the greenery on the grass though, yep. We actually still got a bit of moss over here though. Yep. But we do got some greenery over here though, yep. So we're slowly getting in there. Hopefully we'll move up very soon, yep. and of course, yeah, but the best part about living here is that we literally live in the country, yep. Oh yeah, we're surrounded by all these trees over here. No noisy neighbors. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. We can even see our neighbors' properties. All these trees. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Indeed. Yep. So nice to be living here, though. Yep. Yep. I love it. Yep. Yep. And of course, it's good to be enjoy the spirit in. Yep. So yeah, overall that was a really fun walk, yep. I really did enjoy it, yep. Oh yeah, indeed, yep. But of course, yeah, it is finally a nice afternoon, yep. But yeah, but of course, I don't even see too much other than my shit I done though. But of course, yeah. But of course, yeah. Here we go. Oh, let's see. Hold on, try to get a good shot here, guys. Oh yeah, here we go. So yeah, you see, I'm wearing shorts right now, yep. And I'm about to just my t-shirt on and my shorts. Oh yeah. At least I'm in the yard now, but of course, at least I'm not out walking in this, but of course, yeah. But who knows, I may get out on another walker later. Probably be several maybe before that, who knows? Yeah, but of course, I should probably head out for another one around 5:30. Yep, since I don't want to interrupt my dad while he's in the meeting. But of course, who knows? If it's still warm like it is now, I think I'll just leave on the shorts, especially outside. Yep. Oh yeah. But I just figured I'd seize the opportunity now to enjoy a bit of fresh air with my shorts and my t-shirt. Yep. Oh yeah. But yeah, but overall it actually gives me coffee. Yep. Oh yeah. God. Yep. Yep. It's not being too cold at all, which is very surprising. Yeah. Oh yeah, but anyway, so of course I'm by the green now, so of course I don't know how much more clips I'll do yet, but of course I'll green now anyway, and enjoy some me time while I'm in my room. Yeah, but of course, yeah. Oh yeah. So of course could be really short skin, especially in late April. Yep. Oh yeah. Speedy finally here. Yeah, I love it. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I see. I really show as much as possible, especially with the sunshine, Yeah, but of course, it will also really short now. By the way, too, for Canada and US. Comment down below because I want to know. Yeah, yeah, but of course, overall, if it's going to be really short skin, yep. Anyway, yes, so that's all. So I'll update you guys here. I'm gonna go back in now, and I'm gonna get another coffee cup for later. Yep. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. It's now the day now. Yep. It's now just at the same PM now, and of course, yeah. And of course, the sun actually did come out after 20 afternoon and evening. Yep. Oh yeah, but yeah, but look, the sunrise just at the 8 o'clock. I won't rise now till 5:50 or just before that. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. I figured I show you guys how things are doing now. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. We actually do got quite a bit more creepy around. Yep. Yes, you can still see mushroom spots, but of course, I think it's really greenery for now. Yep. Oh yeah. Really much some greenery to this. Yep. Oh yeah. And the trees on for the leaves, and hopefully they will very soon. Yep. Oh yeah, but yeah, but what a beauty evening it is, though. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. Hopefully, the weather will improve and warm up pretty soon. Oh yeah. So we do got a little bit of cloud cover. Could go by, but it's not too bad. Yep. Oh yeah. But it's just beauty evening over here, though. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Cappy's been without a bit of sunshine. I think I said this before, though. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, I definitely do love this. Definitely miss the nicer weather. Yep. Here in Newfoundland. Yep. Right on. Yep. Oh yes. Yep. It was good to be seeing the sunshine again, though. Yep. So overall, I enjoyed my day. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, but I enjoyed the sunshine as much as possible. Yeah. Oh yeah, it was after last trip. I just we actually we movement used my computer and yeah, I have a nice on the patio, which is good. Yeah. It's felt really comfy on the patio this afternoon. Yeah. Comfy, especially when I was wearing shorts, and it's still I'm wearing shorts. Yeah. That's pretty good for late April. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, but the more days we get let this spread up, and of course then of course and then I also went on another walk just at 4 p.m. I went over to the Peter Duffy Park first, and then yeah, then while there I actually made a friend over there. Yep. Yep. Had a and of course it was a girl. Yep. Oh yeah, yeah. And of course, yeah. I had a brief chat with her, and of course, yeah. And then that was all. Yep. Yep. I like talking to people and making friends, even with the people that I really know. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed. Yep. I'm a good fella. Yep. Oh yeah. Yes, and of course, yeah, and of course, and after the people enough, I went up over to the Spec Boulevard Saxon Darling's driveway, yeah, where I just check out that that subdivision. Sorry for the stuttering, yep, yep, I can't help it, yep. Oh yeah, I was supposed to be the couple of years ago. But yeah, it needs to happen though. My God, yeah. But anyway, I went over there. Yeah, and one of you, I had from a party service. Yeah, it was over at the end of the Trenton place. I think it's called. Yep. I had to read this few pennies. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was really nice. Yep. Oh yeah. And then after I just went on back from there, but I went back to the old track, old to Sally place, and then back home. And I was just finished something. Yep. But anyway, yes, but of course, and which I will show you this. I never took you guys with me on that one. Yep. But of course, that wouldn't have ended up to the whole vlog. It would have been another 35-minute vlog episode. Yep. So I just figured I'm putting that one back on the vlog. And that was all, yep. Alright, but of course, yeah, because those were we all. I make a slideshow at the end with all the pictures that I took during that walk, yep. Literally, that was a really fun walk, yep. And of course, yeah. but I'll leave it, guys. I just really hope you enjoyed the vlog, and of course, yeah. I'll be back with another one tomorrow, and of course, we all know what tomorrow is. Next week, Friday. Yep. One more day work, I'll be one more morning work. I see. Then after I'll be out for the rest of the day. Then I'll be out for the weekend. I'm definitely looking forward to the weekend. Who knows what I'll do the weekend? Yeah. Maybe I'll head tomorrow. The weekend, and yeah. But I do know we'll be having family over here on Sunday. But of course, yeah. Yep. That'd be good. Yep. Oh yeah. I love the old family gatherings. Yep. Yep. The old Sunday dinners. Yep. Yep. Could be fun. Could be Sunday without having Sunday dinner. Yep. No matter if it's a bit of chips or fish and chips. Yep. Yep. Could be Sunday without a bit of that. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed. But anyway, yes. So of course that's all. And I'm talking about it for your good views. So of course I really hope you enjoyed the vlog, and of course yeah. And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So over and out, and enjoy this life. So.